Meaning of a pastor near car priest, you would difference a womb. Near who to say, dear, a war, you know, a tear, what shall you do? Or me, two categories. We have pastor and priest. Priesthood, no, or maybe my area. Yes, a pound crophobia, no, me, said man. Now, I dear man, and so soon that priest and the pastor and Tim said, there would do only part no young upon Tim was them. And you would do only pano only pantem was some difference. No, when Yankopoka said you would do only pano Yankopon tem was some. One as I see a major, I made him to me, yes, my Israel. Michim would do me. Instead of doing Michim would do back with mouth, someone you won't trust with Nedmas. Now, where they want no terminate menemuntum assem. Sans one year in Tisamunya, baby fresh as and swa. Muchimudua. Moon found when I'm from about home rank of Fonomusundi. Near an interest if you said, with my deep sound and was mamma. For a temperament. What I say? Satamori Israel for free. Or more, as I see, so some more cocaine as I saw free, Miss Dream. No, and he confirms some room, Miss Dream. No, yes, or maybe a canas as no more real Majuma. And they are setting on the time. No, and they say a back to some. They say so there was a year to be fire for us as soon as the aqua heaven. It's different from Saudi Arabia, Cana, and Saudi Aqua heaven. And they want to say uncle. About any years to nurse of a penny, one a better answer and one friend and say, I'm removing your bumby. Owie was a meme a founder, me a leader. One macano yet my fool, I don't better too. I saw no more. Obia bay in a juma. I much idea as soon as difference womb. Obia the uncle, Obia the obey, Juma was sorrow no mamma sonide at Tumpong. Obey soon snibby. Nelson Pedia say, Wohoy, you would trade your 9. A beer in a juma. And say, Crano, Boncuminifa, as said, but in your pet. A beer jumanco. Samson, there will be a extra for I say one nima sorry and him, and not sophobia. Sophomore means or say be between your couple home and dipa. And he said, well, Bussas of Foodman made and to kind of Peter, First Peter, Peter made in kind Tim you in Jamun when I was say, Mother Moya Hinasofuku or my Chroma Wimo. What I say, Tia a henny asofu equal. The until you use I mean and say a mystery, and they say, Obi ultimately slightly free and more direct, you become a pastor, a priest. And on some my 2 years, yes, to walk with a priest, me a priest. Name of the Odia and so can any fellow, pastor. Well, dear, so kind, near for pastor. The pastor no credit my yana ewo, and yan in and as of be bad me and say, why you are pastor, I want to meet you down my crop. What you see a cool school by for pastor, and more cool school by pastor. Name of my party, I'll buy in. What I saw, that's why I know so a pastor. To the upper could be a singing another pastor for be I mean, say why you are pastor. No one check the interior pastor with him. This is rather famous catching, this is would die or bad bread with him. And into opinion, and see a bassano. No, pay my Musa same way and son what to us. Okay. Say, since I will say, oh, Fred, your first of be. Now say, Ubisan say, a DNT and a pastor. Only mother crow. Me so me no be arguing say your home man go school and so me are so for months or so. So go school so uncle school no the red meaning of pastor na me say won chese so chese a omra me musa no won che di nti o so for ana pastor na ye kan hwefo no waduma e wa asori mu omra na omachire the make out chese ha won chire no won timi chire man this will be a software or no so hwefo a omra ni musa sa sem wunya no chese meaning chese no man say ye from okristosumu no e different from the na Israel for ye no money twaka bia the Israel for onyan kon the say the Christ for onyan kon ti em fa say me fra pam da mu enti e ma foforo ma ne ma ehwe enti tight no Levites no ka say em fa ma wo and there is no more Levites who try it enti ehun hia na say ehun hia that's the question what dey come hwan edu yen so no was o ka kire yen say yes yen wan ka say yen tight try the man so for say so for so ni obi was in the nation fees. Asam na wo kan o asam kasia na wo kan o sofo ni wo bi. Oh, very simple. Sofo ni wo bi. Ade ti na sofo ni ho. Ahwefo ni wo. Yeni sofo bia. Say what wo nya adwuma. Paul say nya adwuma na ni no excluding no including. Wan yi bi afri no for bia nhim. Why don't say nkwa adwuma na wo to say wo nya adwuma. Say wo ma na ye say hwe nkwala ni nyina bi wa nkwala na pa mo nya Kristofo. Akwala bi no ye Kristo ni. This wo nyini di Awurade Yesu di ansa na be Kristo ni. Akwala mo wa kronfron for dem sika hwe ni. Mwan ko jina kwa hu ntonsuo na wo mmere wi an wo yi sika de abema wo be ma wo se hia sika wo so no na wo de hwe wo ma e fa so be ni benya fi so anti wo se nyame ma ebre de hwe sanfofo nyina do ebre bi opebia na obo ayu ka see my point enti se asofo ni ho de a sika ye bi enu ye ya mo
Bible no obetimi ayes
verse 12 wo ma na o kan ho asem bibisa wo se sa wasakra asofodie no a etwa se wasakra ho mra so emre bi a wo hu bi asesa ebisa asofodie na asesa ho mra so wo se de asesa first no sa wo na wo dina ya se de ade ebre wo de ba na onu ha ye de koma hwan se hu nya se yi ba bio me ba chote ase bi atete ma fa ne se bi akase bi so dipo bi so na ya se ya bosom eja bosom bi ya dikosu akoto ase bosom bi ya dikosu akoto ebe ko na bi ani so wo ya kire ko ebia na ye bu afiro ama ya level ground no dikosu akoto yi because there is one say o sa dikosu ya dey ko bi ko do dikosu akoto no oni ho me ba chote ase ti edu yen so Yesu ka se yen so Nyankopon hwe title so ye so Nyankopon hwe no bi o so fense dey amaye ene so yen wo se yen so rade Nyankopon hwe biu tuntin fa bibi so no yesa rade be yewa ma na so ye no bi first na ne yesa to sumu no enti sa sanke be ko the genesis of the story na ke be kire be bi junsam efri be pemye ene be bi a Kristo sum so ye de e sha ase ekoye ene emra na da ho ma wo ne emra da ho ma Kristofo it's quite different maybe be enhia bi so be kan ko kire Samaria ni ba say mo se mo jere bu pension mo sum Jerusalem na Israel for so be catch say baby ba nya bi poyi na Jerusalem go so ready bi wu e be so ready o honhom ene no krim na wona o so le sa na so Nyankopon ye dey e hwe wo dey make out you say enti hu say so sunu bi aba Judaism and Christianity mu na no sa so sunu no wo se dipa kire mu no na imu nda ho a ya fa sofudie free ho e be na ha o peska na akofa sofudie free Jew mu no de aba ene so yetu so be de kra enkwa a emphasica ho emfa hwe ho eye opani akoma ode baba Yesu nko a na no wo kire so bi sere wade ama no obi se wo fem ho ade na wo chi masa nipa no obi di wade so kra mu sel bio sa event ni mu ne wo ye de tight ye wu tight akohe dey na se ye sira kra wo bu sa wo mo yi o mo da so esu awo admission ho a ne man na se ye bi school okutwe school fees woni ska ni pia na ko bi otwa tight ka wo sika edu na ko kan no ga se nya sika ko ni di sira na apart from sika ni ahode de ni di sira bio ya kan ina ye de so be sa hwe ho yi so wo di yi a wo nyare wa ma ntontoma nka ba male ye be ra che tende ya wa ti asante fo se de ngwa wo hwe no so yi na ode onyina da ne tope na make out ya se nti se wo trase yi ma ho a hu se yare opa na chew opa enchew nya se woto na yare abechew what ya say bre e wo ho enframa mfa na e wo so enye ye cause and effect until we have things go high and from nyame na oba me ho ban na nyame mo bia ho ban ene ai issue so e den no
yanko ties no say emra da be na twam ye nyina ties na
Yesu wu twam no anu ties nya djuma biom won tua fam obia ye de ye den Yesu kan ho asem bi kire o an kan kire Jesus mo kan wo Matthew chapter 23 verse 23 no ka Pharisee fo anim no ka o me ene tata ho so du ho asem nanso mo hu se na ye Jewish regime ni da so tua ties abrem na Yesu ka na act to a Kristo sum hyase no wenye mebio Yesu owu ama na sem ya so wasane ba be sibio a ye sansum sa no man tie twam a enni ho a nte se obi kura kan ho asem se wo ntwa Yesu na ka se tia na so
you get my emphatically clear say from New Testament e ba no ties
ye ntwa kan tamu
oh yeah
no show what am ma e bi de ka se bi kakrawa Open Hebrews chapter 1 verses 1 to 1 from 1 to 5 wa Yesu ka Bible kan se wo se Onyankopon wona breko do no suhudo so na ejanum kasa aye no be ma emphasis ene de akire no wona mo ba Yesu Kristo so ene kasa kire yen first wona Moses na kasa kire o man no they say so wona Yesu so na yen e kasa kire eti ebo John the Baptist bo Yesu esuwie no opie fi so no say so ebie ma konkonkon sare se bubru ba no so owie na ne bi kan say we nim do ba o so mani ntimi nya dai muntie no na Moses asem ho but wose yentie Yesu ya so baka ya eni bi sa ba ya bra Moses eni Eli eni Yesu say shia ya obepo so a wode Peter ne Yohane ekoye no wose omu se omu sankrofo mi no ba ya omu koye wie no mununkum ba ho amu ye eni bi sa firi so ka say we ni me do ba wo so me ni munya den mutie no me ke say ye ka ke say ye metie yesu sisi me why ye metie yesu na Moses emra wo ho so kan John chapter 1 verse 17 na wo say mra ne de na Moses no bae na adom ne kra de na yesu na ide aba ti so maka ya Matthew chapter 28 verses 19 20 ekono yesu ka say wo do so ne asase tu miama eti mo konko ya ma nyina mesuafo na mo mo ne su agya oba na wonkunkun na mo wi a mo cheche won say oni de memme ma hyem so mi wa na Farisifo na atrofo enwoma no ene mra asem ne de ewo na ti se hu say ti se de nye Moses biewu Yesu Yakopon ne ka se yentie no wono an ka se yensom na according to Philip chapter 2 verses 8 iko woso wato no ho mpan be fa akwa ti bi ato ho so na se de waye na de fa no so nipa na waya so miracle si asem yemu ngumpo enti ne Yakopon so ama ne so ama ne di abro di nyina se wono Yesu Kristo di mu ano so asase fo ko tudwe no on katra man pam nka se we rade di enim nie enti di Yesu kan ne ye di aduma se asem bi nye Yesu ne kan ye mfa nya hwe se David be kan asem bi ye nya dan ti David wade modum kokum gori atenti ye fa modum nya dan Jefta ese be kokko di kon se awade wo de be nem timi kokko na me di nkunimu a me ba bi di me fi ade bi e be di kan be hye me ma de baba okum ne ba de my rade enti me kokum me ba vi kin fa ko manya me won chen sa wo mo no kan sa kire ye sa no ka kire ye no ka kire so bi se ade aye ma no abra na Israel for president sa obi boy ye nye den me ye mo ni bi Israel for obi boy mo play take for that enti Israel for na be kire ye nye abra no wodi akon wotim kum nipa ye so ahye se ye kum nipa enti si nipa enti ye no mo som no difference wo mo ye den kase se Yesu ka se mi kire ya ene ye de adwuma so an ka mi an kire ya ye no bi eni ase Yesu ba ye kan se ma kase kwa no kan ye wose mo nto ma hode fama hiafo na munye kotoko en say dafa according to Luke chapter 12 verse 32 say no ka kire ye nti say na ka ye wasem na so obi ontade me nu a onchi no ma ne nwa woni biebi say na obi se wade so edai e ma no de me ka odi ase nti say sum we mu ne ye wonne nti say wo be ko fa asem bi free apamba da mu na wo be ko to ma ya ha ya enye yiye so ba ka ya asem bi Yesu ba ye no ye de me ma da ne brain na so no wonu se ade obi ya ma urade a eso ni se okon ma urade enti akwa bi friend Penhas e ma Israel ni bia ni Abraham sepa mo ne mama mofo emodwaman enhia kro aware mu ani ne ko bobi mama okoto ma no ko pe pian no do ko sina o mi no Abraham mu se dwama so nya me se Penhas was sanka ma mofo wa kwa mame wadi ase na so do Kristo sumu no Yesu gina ho anya de mele madani ba se we papa mame wo ya kwati ne dwama so pe ye na wo se nya no wo se do wonya bone da no to go mo ba no say it's quite different you know mo ni hia obi biam eno mo ka chere do fo nyina wo de ba Kristo sumu nya yie na so obi se obi timi na ba Kristo sumu ma na yie a enya Abraham ni ho na wonka Abraham wo ho onko tumfiri ho won famra ne yem hwe se ebe yie apart from principle laws ewia de emokro no enfo obi yire ene principle Israel for my ekro na sa mra ne mra da ho ye hye wiase ase na sha aden bae na say Israel bae free say Israel bae ne mra de ma won nyina bia nya adwuma bio ntimi nya adwuma ma Kristo sumu ko unique na Yesu bae ntisi tie Yesu Jesus is our standard
enti enne Kristo sumu no anka tax eni ho bio
anka
tax dususo dudu tithes
ememe hwe Yesu ankyerɛ yɛn sɛ wɔsɛ de nipa susuo no ɛna wɔma wanka nkyɛ so bi twɛ dusuo dudu ɛwɔ Israel Christopher Penny so a obi hyira no da bi ɛna even kura no sɛ nyame sɛ wɔ bless wo eni ho bio
wow
yeah ensi ɛnyɛ no kra mo de ɛno so me pɛsɛ be keka nsɛm bi obi so wɔnte ase a wɔmra na yɛntra se ne nka ho asɛ so ka Matthew chapter 5 a wasi nhyira no borohufo hwe wase ma waka wo no keka nhyira sɛ wodu 10 ekwale bi ho no wasi nhyira mo so wo ya mo no wata mo woni pa barenti no kan sɛ mo ne tum di so no mo ne nyida no fi sɛ makatwa so so we iska wasi wo ya de bia you become a blessed Yesu din so ko obro for nase awo Matthew John chapter 13 na for no ho mo nase wi na so bo mo de mayemu if you know these things and do them blessed are you so we we ya inhyira na wo nyese mehira wo we ya de bia inhyira na wo nyese mehira wo inhyira obia Peter wo de hia na wo ye Paul no onika pre ade ye nhyɛ Peter musan sɛ be pesika wo sika de tell me ni Yesu so din na so nanti na hwan na ado ho beto no say nyame hira no sika fo no we kuro se mompo heaven wo da ma sika fama asase no nti we ebeto mu say nyame be hira nhira nye ye tu twa title twa no kwa title twa be hira we zu twa nhira bi ani ho so we good things I was say hira no so we yes ade no me mo nye se be hira ana example kwan so ni ho hwan na oba ye oyeye Joseph Arimathea won na wo sika dada obehu Yesu no wo sika dada na so message da wo say do wo sika no on turn the one of man here for so betim so wunti wa se sekio na wo sika dada ade ntino ye kromfo so da Yesu ko no fi no ka se me na nkonto poso ade obi ade mebo ho mpre na ade ma ho ni yesa no kai akowei Martin Lewe na wo skani na so no so gije to sa obedi Yesu achi no ni ka pre fi se do no wo no wo share e mo no ni nyaram de yeduma no na fe di assembly na ho ade skani sikani frasa so na say yetu so baba nchini a te so de sika na wo no e ma hia fe no hwere we wo nya
and so obi so a contrary view about ties na omra no emeka ho asem na munye bible mo disua
okay so 5 minutes ma obeti ase na ho ni nsa no so ra o ha na ho we ha na dwen 5 minutes emma man nka abra minimum
enti ties for pastors for na asofo je dia okay dia that just ya po ni azan
na munnim na mu twa de ma won mu so manya bibi wo da bi hwenim ana wonye we so manya kokon bi hira no na me wono kro no ni sa de no me do choti ase di pe bebre wo sika de amu yi tight but wonye de urade pe ena ye du se odo me di ma hede so to mo ndi Yesu ma hede so no omo na Yesu ni wo ede e wo ho na wonye wi ase nyina na hwere ka ase de emfa so be na obenya Yesu no ka che ase me ya no wi ase no mu no ma eno no ase de no se
dabi o nti asem a woken na pastors ni asofo yi a nyame adwuma no de omafa to no so se omo be ye no ehe no mo so benya sika anase e de ye nyame adwuma yi
ade tim se nyame adwuma no wo no se nyina ade atum se ye Yesu adwuma de ye wonta ye kwasafo de ye de boa adwuma no me pa church ase ye nyina de ye wo ane ye koye adwuma bon tin de benya no na de be boa adwuma eti de be ye bi aho de be tma ye aduru no ye wi ane ye sa ko echi eye de oni pa susuo ene wo man ye fa nti na ye je seba correction so wo bi fa be boa ye ba se da se be kwa ne da to aso ne mo ye ntin mo bi se tinchina one time on famra da bi obona pu Yesu an train sa the patriot is malaki na cho say le malaki nka because malaki nye standard Jesus is our standard one was certain am say yankonu nu susu bia so na malaki de ye ni no wai the patriot is le say ko fa de fofo bi na abedua ha the Yesu bia ye no ana ya tie na ye die na de obi bia de say ni no ye Israel for kra ye ni mo ye nya Abraham asefo na ne gidi agya wo ye ntina me ye wo ye agidifo nyina agya ye nya Abraham asini ye Yesu asini free na na dom asini ye dey ye hye ntina Israel ko to Israel asma me hu de opasa wo de ye so ka so ka Israel asma e story bi e si bre bi e na so ka che dipa so what is asimo na hawa e ma wa koma ntutu kra invite the emra na be chi ye wonim Israel asma nye yasem fi so mo ye Israel ye ye honhom Israel na honhom ne honam e mi twaka e bi anko papa zade make out message emu da wonje so bi se wo twa tight na menim ni ntia wo twa ma se obi na ahye na sorry bi ana won wo so wo tight no na sorry na Yesu sorry dey no ho so back in Matthew chapter 16 verses 18 what Yesu say mercy ma sorry na sama do apun entwe mfa so na make out ase ana na enkrofo bi so ba na mo so tete o mo sorry Yesu eye panda we leader baby a otie ho heaven ho ana headquarters ento me so join sa sorry na just so join no ha abra ye headquarters for heaven
by Yesu catch Peter so be see na so le down so
they want me see one so
okan na wanka
okan but nche mu no just sa
chema
on say your Petra and your Petrus Petra eyebo and Petrus eyebo tan no say obotan so wo say wo Peter there wo ye Petra na so Petrus yi wo there wo ye bo Peter meaning no abo na obotan so na me masafo besie a sama ade pon entwe mfa so na se ka Peter so no besie a Peter se ko nko enke be se no so besie bo so na o kan Acts 10:4 so was say obotan no so ene Yesu no was na so si no so a bibi ntimi ntwe mfa so on fa on chef na no nsa e ma nye yi de make out mase enti ho de enko na Yesu tie na so o ye founder we leader no ene obi so ba no so ati asori ono so de founder ono na ye leader One one say you overseer. You say yes was on there when you. One not national also all the title more. One more corner son who trace Camano. And yes, no Camano, yes, no catch testimony. What me point now? Say by a man, see an American side.
And yes, you buy need testimony one cut ties on some that.
I saw a couple of times to 1 year, and then show you once. Matthew chapter 23, verse 23, and another can was. Now, so now, look on a Jewish regime. Because a Jewish regime, they don't do 4 years, and an oil. Or say Jews for a no probation, but to sue. Edited in 34, and the close and Sunday agent as he looked at it.
That is the issue. A winner and the Christos.
I just want me to transfer. Obedria, the now was say the year on a saffron to call young son of Catcher Chef was a one kind of Salam. Now, home round, so the power so made up for the no master statement. Till the Saturn of course, so but tears or I say in Tinam near you. One way they know come. The nation shall say what asked to. It is all yes to buy a ball, a brow by any nine upon for. They will not OCD upon for Adria. No, we young son of pay down. Simple. So this one just
not open church one
friend. English. We open church. Oh, question be a more come how we sat the be the major question I will ask me say upon that uncle upon from a big young man could be. Maybe I can't say by your be to was it. The visa. If you have more cool to be free home. No, dear. Be a care be for you soon. Apart from that, no. Daniel aka awie nsem ho asem bia na ye prophecy na so revelation abesom enti ye Daniel biem revelation ye hia revelation o kan ho asem se da achi ne beba ana revelation so aya pamfo so be ka the same thing wabesom enti ye Daniel dia yan kan kwa ye kan we ye be nyancha se no be ba church apart from ade ye yan kon hye ai da ho apart from ade no bibie no obi maka Isaiah ngoma o to enti e ba ye dai okay, say yes, but yes, obey me. I'm my kind of story said. As I can say yes, but now yes, Friday. What about 2,000 over years ago? Into people can't say I'm money. A bad day.
Obebano. As was so many banana.
What I say, it is a dependent baby. It wasn't a
kind, if you are baby and you are baby and it wasn't a kind.
And I can't want some. And then what it was my mouth until we know me the other. And see that kind of story I catch and I said, living your coupon for big tonight. See, no more time. Then so said the other one say, so can someone we are no be a yaw trainer so. And then so one year was a me anyway. See, I knew we are that your barber train, your bed, apart from the can we young can you shoot you. A story again. Will be so on Chassia. Will be so on Chassia, money. If I thought Chassia, money. But that's almost a question. Yabba, bitch. As we saw pastor actual baby. A man house of pastor when you use one of the energy and what's the baby also in Australia and it was the other day. You two. Then I'm a mystery. And can't so be a white boy, or be a white years with you. And I can't watch much because I didn't say be a kind of person, big my sense and we. 2 years ago I said, well, what's one of my tea. The big my genus of managing. And it's an engine if I don't be a room. Brand new show, the more you win a business. Yammy one year on my on the milk.
You say we topic for that day.
And the Asano, 7 more, this will be Sanyaka. That's all pay ye dear, or quote up and better know the about. They were judges and not about the Jimmy. We are not a couple. We saw. So we saw a meeting in our appointment, and you will return soon. As and now you can never eat a cake
and have it.
That is life. So we are young passers we mount my hoodie in our from Mountains and from where we come. Yes, you can say a day more before. So the heavens and say, you must the papa. It's me say, it cannot be any ye. Sikabi Bible, and if you see us of Bible, paying for that's what I say, yes, or by the case in a good bank. Yet day. Sasia. See, yes, old soon Yamino is our boy. But I only make catches of one. So, Benisika, Sika Unya would be my hey, now
prosperity preachers.
One more Latina Sorrentino or Casacho. Yes, one Chessa.
Another topic for another day. Okay.